I'm here to show you some amazing options for your customization in your winter box. This is all for customization number 4. And make sure you stick around until the end of the video because I have a code that's gonna help you save some money on your box. Let's get started. First off, in your customization number 4 is the MYTAGALONGS Vitamin Organizer. You're not gonna forget the name because it sounds like the Girl Scouts tag-alongs. It has 14 individual compartments. That's great if you're going on a super long vacation. Then what I like to do is in one side I put my daily vitamins, supplements that I take every day. And then on the other side, I'll put my sort of like emergency medication. So Advil, allergy meds, anything that could possibly pop up on the trip. And it's so cute, look how small it is and rose gold. It fits in any purse or bag, so it's great when you're traveling. Up next is the L'Occitane Shea Butter Hand Cream. Don't know if you guys have ever seen this. I remember like the really cool girls when I was growing up always had this brand. It was like French and expensive. And so I'm really excited to be using it right now. It smells very like baby fresh. Like I feel like someone just put me in the dryer with like expensive dryer sheets in the best way. This Shea Butter hand cream is amazing because a little bit goes a really long way. I know I'm gonna be using it on my hands, on my elbows, on my knees. I do not like to look ashy, so this is gonna be my savior this winter. Okay, Sonage. Sonage, okay, Sonage. I'm so excited to show you these. These are the Sonage Baby Frioz Mini Ice Globes Facial Massagers. They are so cute. So these ones you put in your refrigerator so that you can put them under your eyes in the morning or at night as a nice depuffer for this area. And also if you have a headache or something, it's nice to massage your temples. Also they're pink and there's glitter in them. So that's amazing. I just also love how tiny they are. I feel like they're like just perfect for my little eyes. I'm so excited about these. I like want to name them Lily and Lavender. Let me know what you name yours. I've been really excited about everything that is in customization 4, but I have to say the thing I'm probably gonna be using the most is the Eparé Butter Keeper. This happens to me all the time where I'm doing a recipe and they call for specifically room temperature butter. And my butter is always in the fridge and then I'm at a loss. This is my new favorite thing to keep my butter room temperature and protected on the counter in a nice aesthetic way. My roommate is gonna be obsessed with this. And this is a fun little secret. It has tablespoon demarcations on the butter keeper. You count it out, you chop it up, there it is, ready to go. This is gonna save me so much time. Up next, we have the Ace Beauty Serenity Eyeshadow Palette. This is a big deal. I'm laughing, but it's just because I'm so delighted. This palette is gonna let me wake up every day and decide who I wanna be. Am I gonna be Miss Utopia, going out girly, or am I gonna be Miss Spa and self-care? Those are literally the names of the colors. Zen, calm, meditate, self-care, retreat. Is everyone looking at this Utopia color? I mean, wherever I go in that color, it's just gonna be an event. This is gonna be my new everyday and going out palette. Up next is TruffLuv Truffle Mask. This is really awesome because it has black truffle bead bursts with vitamins and antioxidants at the touch of your hands. You put this in your hair, it's gonna come out looking so glossy, shiny, silky. This is a really important addition to anyone's hair care routine. It smells really sweet and fresh and warm, which is perfect for the winter time. I feel like I'm gonna use this and I'm just gonna bounce around in the Christmas time and people are gonna be like, oh wow, it smells like sugar cookies. I'm gonna be like, no, that's just me. Here's how this works. So you're gonna apply this generously to your washed hair. You're gonna massage it in for 3 minutes. So pick your favorite song, dance it out. I'm gonna be probably listening to Sorry Poppy by Bad Bunny. Then you're gonna rinse your hair. And you can or you don't have to use conditioner after. I'm really excited about this. You should be too. Let me know what you think and what song you're listening to. Up next, Vike Beauty Makeup Melt. So this is really exciting. So this is oil-free. I personally don't have lash extensions, but for all my friends out there that do, the oil-free makeup melt is really important so that your lash extensions don't come out. I'm so excited because it is a spray, and so you will be doing less tugging and pulling on your skin, which we all know is not a good thing. It has 4 antioxidants to nourish your skin after removal. It's working even after you've used it, which is so exciting. I love an overachiever. So the way that this works is you're gonna spray it directly onto your skin. You're gonna use dry hands to massage in circular motions, and then you're gonna do whatever the rest of your normal skincare cleansing routine is. So it's super easy to fit into your nightly routine. You don't wanna miss this. So that is all for customization number 4 for your winter box. For a full look at all of the items you can choose this season, make sure you customize your winter box. And the code that I promised you at the beginning is winter close-up. Let me know what you're picking in the comments below, and I will see you next season. Bye.